Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can check out ebooks from our Destiny catalog. So starting again on the Burbank Library homepage, you can do a search. I'm going to search for books on music. And again, it will open a new Destiny Discover page. And I'm going to be interested in these ebooks. So I'm going to click See All. And there's a lot of different ebooks on music that I can choose from, so I would pick one that I would like to read more about. I took music appreciation in college and I was a music major, so let's check out this one. So you can click open, but it's going to ask you to log in. Always choose the one with your San Antonio user ID. Okay, and then you'll type in the first part, only the first part of your school email. This is whether you're a student or teacher, and then type your normal email password and click login. It'll take a few seconds to authenticate your account. And now it took me out of my search, so I'm going to go back in and I'm going to go back and search for music. Again, I'm going to click on the ebooks. Now that I'm logged in, you see my little picture because I have my information updated. I have the option to open or check it out. So what I'm going to do is check out this book, and you can have it for up to 2 weeks, and it will tell me that it's been checked out, and here is the due date. Actually, looks like only a week it looks like. So now I can open the book, I can read it. I can read it on any device where I have an internet connection, and you just go back into Follett Destiny and you can read your ebook. So that's all there is to it. You have just normal procedure to check out the book, and it'll tell you again the due date. If you need to search it, you can. If you want to view title info, you can even print pages from your book. You can create notes, like if you're taking notes for a class, maybe you're doing some research. You can bookmark it. You can zoom if you need to zoom. You can look at it in different ways, change some of the views of it. So a lot of different things you can do with this ebook. So that's how you check out an ebook from our Destiny catalog.